Okay, just click on this one and go in the modify list and extrude. Type here the cell. I'm going to type here cell like this. So cell modifier is visible here. Click on this cell and you can see there are two options, inner amount and the outer amount. Okay, if you increase the inner amount, you can see your wall thickness is increased to the, you can see, just see now, okay, into the inner side. Okay,
Yeah.
and if I increase the outer amount, it will be increased on the outside like this.
Okay.
Like this. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can see I write in our notes like see here.
Sure.
Just a second. Okay, we can write in this one also. Like I write in this one, like to create a same boundary outside or inner side of the shape. So same like we can provide the thickness in the inner side or maybe in the outer side also in the cell command. So we can increase the thickness in inner side
No.
or outer side. Yes, Sally, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this, we can provide the thickness to them. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's clear or not?
It's clear, sir.
Okay, now we are going to talk about the angle snap. We discussed about it already or not? Angle
Yes,
snap.
yes, sir.
We cover it now.
Yeah.
Okay, so now write about the group. So I'm going to take another new page because in this page we always write modified because lot of modifiers we will use. Okay.
Okay.
So I write here. Our next topic is the group. How we can create the groups in the 3dsMAX. Can you tell me what is the shortcut of group in the AutoCAD? Okay, no issue.
G, I guess.
Okay. So what is the use of group in AutoCAD?
So when we group certain objects, we can edit them at a time, like we can move them at a time.
Simultaneously, we can edit them. No? Yeah. So see, suppose I create some boxes here. I'm taking some standard primitives and I create a box here like this. I create here like this. Okay. 5 to 7 boxes I create like this. Now I want to create a group. So just select all the objects and you can see the group option is visible here. On here you can see this one. Okay.
Yes.
Select the objects, go in the group. You can see the group option is visible here.
Yeah.
When I click on the group name you need to define. Okay, so you can write anything like group name and click on OK. You can see the group is created now.
Yes.
Understood? So when you change the color of like any object, the whole color of all the objects will be changed now.
Yeah.
So this is a use of group. We can change the properties of any objects simultaneously or at a time. Okay. Like suppose I'm going to create a staircase. Okay, and I want to provide the material to all these steps. So you can create a group and you can provide easily.
Okay.
So this is the use of group. Now click on the group, and if you want to do you want to ungroup all the objects, you can click on the ungroup. all the objects are definitely defined. Understood? So can you tell me what is the use of group?
What is the use of?
Group
Yeah, to change or modify.
use to change. Yeah, properties used to change properties of objects on a same time. Which objects are included in a group? Okay, this is a group. Now write about the isolation. Isolation. Isolation, hide, series. Okay, and unhide all the topics we are going to cover, and hide selection also. Actually, these are the speed enhancing tools. Okay,
Okay.
our speed will be increased if we use them.
Yeah.
See how we can use these things. Okay, now like first of all, I'm going to use the isolate object. Okay.
Okay.
If you remember that we use isolation in AutoCAD also.
Yeah, maybe I didn't use it. So actually.
Okay, we have an option. If you right click on the workspace, you will get isolation of the option in
Yeah,
the
okay.
AutoCAD also.
Yeah, yes, sir. I know.
Yeah. Okay. So if I click on any object, so and I select two objects. Okay, like some more I create first of all here. 5, 6 like this. Okay. I select three objects. Okay, and I want to see only them now. I want to work only these three objects. Just click the Alt Q. This is the shortcut to isolate the objects in the 3dsMAX.
Okay, Alt. Yeah.
Yeah. So Alt right here, Alt plus Q. So E. To hide, sorry, to isolate objects in 3dsMAX. Understood?
Yeah.
Now, see, there is a difference in isolation in AutoCAD and 3dsMAX. Like suppose I want to do unisolate all objects now. So generally we use again Alt Q,
Yeah.
but here the things are different. Okay, when you press Alt Q, nothing will happen now.
Okay.
But if I want to see now only to them, so you can select them and press the Alt Q.
Oh.
If I want to isolate only this object, so press Alt Q again, like this.
Yeah.
So this is the use of Alt Q.
Yeah.
Now I want to unisolate all the objects. So two methods we have.
Okay.
So right here, if we want to unisolate, isolate the objects, then we have two options to unisolate them. Okay.
Yeah.
Now see what is the two options are. Like first one is the click. bulb icon, which is in which is in status bar.
Okay.
You can see this bulb type options we will get right here.
Yeah.
You can write like nearby coordinate values. Understood?
Yeah.
Now, what is the second option we have? Just right click on workspace and select unhide all. This is another option that will get. Like right click and you can see the unhide whole option we get here. I click on this one, you can unisolate all the objects like this. Understood?
Yeah.
So this is the isolation and unisolation in the 3dsMAX, like how we can isolate the objects. Like when you know that is very important thing. Like when we work on the projects, okay. Like I want to create only like a railing on the slab, okay. So you can isolate the slab only. So maybe your project is very big project you are doing, okay. So you can select particular objects on there you want to work. Okay. Now the other option I'm going to tell you. When you click on this one, just click on the right click. You can hide particular objects from here. Like suppose I want to hide this one, click on hide selection. I want to hide this one, click on the hide selection. So isolate is different. When you click on the any object and if you select the isolate, only that object will be appear. But in the hide, when you select your selected object will be hided. Okay.
Yes.
Like this we can hide any object. Now I want all the objects which are hidden in this project. So you need to right click on here and unhide all. You can take like this. Getting my now the option also we get like freeze selection. You already know, I think, about it. Just a second. Yes, you know about it or not? About the freeze.
Yes.
Because we use it now. When we import any AutoCAD file in the 3dsMAX, we freeze the plan.
Yeah.
So this is the use of the freeze.
Yes.
So don't need to tell here, no? Don't need to discuss it, no?
Yeah, no need, sir.
Okay. So these are the things, okay, that we use in the 3dsMAX. So these are some important things I'll cover now. Okay. And you already know that like what is the move, rotate, scale, and all the things.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If you want to rotate your screen, like suppose this is I'm rotate by using the mouse, and simply we always rotate by using the mouse, okay, like this. But we get another rotation object in the quick access toolbar. From here, we can rotate also like this. We can pan our object from here also. We can zoom in, zoom out. We can do from here also. Okay. This is maximize view. What I told you about it, no?
Yeah.
So this is like we can use them. Okay. Here we get these options. Like you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to create a line here, and suppose I press the F front for the F, okay, and I create a line like this, okay. Hmm? Now I'm going to use the modifier. That name of the modifier is a lathe. Okay, lathe modifier. L-A-T-H-E. That is the lathe modifier.
Okay.
I write here another modifier. The name of this modifier is the lathe. Okay, Sally, just tell me uh, about the revolve command. Revolve. You listen about it. Revolve. R-E-V-O-L-E.
In AutoCAD, sir?
Yeah.
No, no, sir.
In this SketchUp also we use this one. No? Okay. Then revolve we use some like when we are going to create like any circular column, architecture columns, if we create anywhere like in the Revit also. You know about Revit or not?
Revit, I don't have much idea, sir. I actually know this kind of command in SketchUp.
Okay. You know only SketchUp, no?
Yeah, CAD and SketchUp and some rendering software.
Ah, okay. I don't know about the SketchUp. Actually, that's why I'm asking to like use it or not.
No.
So lathe command we are using in the 3dsMAX. So see what happens when you click on the lathe. This type of geometry will be created by using a line which we create on the like here in like we create this type of line. You can see the line by using the click on the line also. This
Yeah.
type of line we have when we use the lathe command. This type of object we will get.
Yes.
And we can change this object in many types of like 6 type of objects we get in this one. Like when you click on the X, first object is this one. Okay, segments you can increase. When you increase the segments, it will be more smoother. And second one is the Y. When we click on the Y, this type of geometry we will get. And last one is the Z. When we select X, so in the X we have 3 types of like minimum, center, and maximum. And when I select the Y, we have 3 minimum, maximum, and center. This type of geometry. Okay. Now you can change the shape also. Like I want to change some little bit changes in this one. So go in the line and select the vertex. Okay. I'm going to select this vertex and stick it on this plane like this. Okay.
Okay.
Stick it on this. I'm going to check on the axis constraint. Right. Snap it on now. You can see this type of geometry is created now. Like this. Okay. So when you come out, so you can see the geometry change now.
Yeah.
So we can change the geometry after the creation also. Like suppose I want to change it from here, so you can change like this.
Okay.
So, some architecture columns we create by using the lathe.
Okay.
Yeah. And in the character modeling also we use the lathe command. Because 3dsMAX is used for like many things, like cartoons also we create on this one. Doraemon and if you say here. Yeah. So this is all about for today, or do you want to learn more?
You can teach some more commands, sir.
Done. Okay. So just write about the lattice. Next modifier is the lattice. Right here, the lathe command, we use it to create some architectural circular columns. Okay, now write about the lattice. We can see when you go in the modifier, we can type here L80, since the lattice option is visible here. So see, I told you that what is the use of lattice, okay?
Yeah.
First of all, I write here. This is next modifier. The name of this modifier is lattice. See, suppose this is our box now. Before use the lattice.
Yeah.
Now see what happens. Suppose I create any box. We use it to create any type of cage type geometry. Okay. Like suppose I create, I increase the segments from here like this.
Okay.
Like this. We use it very much. Okay. Like this, we increase our segments. Okay. And I'm going to use the lattice modifier on that. So go in the modifier and put here the type here lattice, and okay, you can see the box is converted into the case now.
Yes.
Use it in like in interior part also, like when we create some type of lines, lights. Okay, so for the frame of light, we use this type of geometry sometime.
Okay. Yeah.
And after that, you can increase the radius like this, radius of all the lines.
Oh.
And you can see that on the intersection point, you can see this type of symbol is coming now. That is the octa shape.
Okay.
But we can change this shape also. Like you can see here the joint, in the joint you can see we get three shapes: tetra, octa, and icosa.
Okay.
We can change them like this. And you can increase or you can decrease the radius also from here. If you don't want to any radius, so you can click on like 0 radius will be there.
Yes.
So this is very important modifier which we use in the interior part. That is the lattice. So we can write here to convert any solid geometry in a cage shape. Okay.
Yeah.
We can create a sphere or anything. Yeah. So these are some modifiers, okay, and expect them. There are many modifiers like cloth modifier. We will learn tomorrow. Cloth, and we will learn how we can create the bed sheets and all the things in the 3dsMAX.
Okay.
We talk about the pillows, how we can create in the 3dsMAX by using the cloth modifier. And after the cloth, we use the more modifiers are there like noise modifiers also we discussed. By using noise, we can create like sand and this type of textures we can create by using the 3dsMAX.
Oh.
If you want to create this sand, water reflection, and all the things.
Okay.
And there are many. Okay, I write. We will cover all the modifiers.
Okay, sir.
So I think this is all about for today. Enough. Okay.
Okay.
You need to do practice more and more because suppose I teach you like 10 minutes for every day. Okay. So if I teach you 10 minutes, so you need to do practice like minimum 2 hours. If you are taking the like class of the 10 minutes, you need to practice 2 hours. So you are taking the like class 50 minutes, okay? So how much hour they are need to do practice?
More than 3 hours.
Yeah, so 10 hour you need to do practice every day, okay? Okay, so tomorrow send me your practice work, okay?
Yeah,
So
yes,
that
sir.
we, yeah. So you can ask if you have any doubt till now. We are going to close our class now.
No, sir, no doubts. I'm actually going a bit slow because I'm just learning it. So when I'm practicing the software, like I'm too slow,
Hmm?
but still I'm doing it.
Okay, you are doing it, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can watch our lecture videos, okay? You can download them. You can
Yeah.
watch them if you stuck anywhere, you can watch them.
Yes, sir.
Like the expiry date of videos will be 7 days. So download them before 7 days, okay?
Okay. Okay, sir.
And you can keep videos in any specified folders in your PC, and you can take the help from them.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, Selina. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.